This video will walk you through 7 high-income skills that any one of them is big enough for you to earn extra income as a full-time employee or to build a thriving 6-figure online business that could make your 9-to-5 paycheck ridiculous. Do you know what the best part is? Because you are very busy and have little time after work, the skills we explore in this video are those you could learn within few months and start implementing without your employer noticing any drop in your productivity. And if you watch to the end of this video, I'm going to direct you to where you can learn these skills, and most of them are free. I'm Akpobo Joseph from Discreet Marketer. If you are seeing my video for the first time, you are warmly welcome to this channel. Here, I show full-time employees that it is possible to build a thriving online business without quitting your job just yet. And if you are a returning viewer, I just want to express my gratitude. Thank you very much for your support. It means a lot to me. Let's get right into the video. The first skill we'll be talking about is website design and development. I know lots of creators recommend this skill, but it is with good reasons. For businesses to stand any chance of survival these days, they need to put their best foot forward. And in this digital age, the best way to do that is to own a website. Because if a business doesn't have a website, it is considered outdated and unprofessional. So if you ever want to stand a chance to succeed in business, then a website is a necessity. Another advantage that a business has when it owns a website is the fact that you have a powerful marketing tool, because with a website you can showcase your goods, your products and services, as well as give updates to your customers of what is happening in your business. The report, according to Siteify, shows that more and more businesses are owning websites. For example, currently they have over 1 billion websites worldwide. And each day, an additional 252,000 new websites are created. So which means there's huge demand for website designers. So if you are looking for a skill that will give you money, then website design is definitely one you should consider. These days, you don't even need to master front-end and back-end programming languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, because WordPress and other CMS, they've done the heavy lifting for you. With WordPress, you can design simple blogs and even complex websites. Just take a look at some of the big brands that WordPress powers their website. CNN Press Room, Walt Disney, Sony, and just a host of them, even the White House. So that goes to show that you can use WordPress to design a website that will serve your customers. You can learn to use WordPress for design within 1 month to 3 months. Depending on your skill level and experience, you can start earning as much as $100 to $30,000, depending on the project you're handling. The next one on the list is SEO. Businesses launching websites is a good thing because it creates opportunity for another crop of online entrepreneurs. They are called search engine optimizers. What do? In simple language, their job is to get a website to be seen by more people by implementing some SEO principles that will make the website to rank highly in search engine result pages like Google, Bing, Yahoo, and others. It is gratifying to know that this skill that could make you 6-figure income is one that you can learn within a month. I promise to show you where you can learn this skill absolutely for free if you watch this video to the end. Also know that your earning potential is dependent on your experience and skill level. The third high income skill is email marketing. Think about this. Why wouldn't businesses explore email marketing? A marketing tool that guarantees $48 for every $1 a business spends on advertising to potentially over 4 billion active users. No wonder Email marketing specialists are in high demand today. Businesses want to make better return on their investments. They want to build a two-way relationship with their customers so that they can promote their products and services without being spammy. And that is what email marketing guarantees. According to ZipRecruiter, an email marketing expert, not a beginner, can earn between $22,000 and $120,500 per year. And it's interesting to know that email marketing is a skill that you can learn within a month. I especially like the fact that all the skills we've mentioned so far provide scalable income. That is, the more you grow in experience, the more jobs you can take and the more money you make. Now let's look at the fourth skill: video production and editing. Numbers matter in business. Do you know that the over 5 billion internet users today, about 5 billion of them spend 17 hours each week watching videos online? That includes you and I. Video marketing is experiencing an explosion, and that's a huge opportunity for businesses. And that's an opportunity for guys like us too. Let me share an experience I had after publishing this video. By the way, I would recommend you to watch that video because it contains valuable information for full-time employees who wish to quit their 9-to-5 job eventually. Although I did not rate this video editing very highly because it was my first long-form content, someone from my WhatsApp contact who saw it while I was promoting it on WhatsApp status reached out to me asking me to help her create a video, and she was very willing to pay. To be very honest, it was a pleasant surprise to me. That goes to show that video editors are needed by businesses today. Video editing is definitely a high income skill you should consider. Apart from the fact that it can make you good money, it doesn't require considerable time to learn it. In as little as 3 months, you should be done with the technical side of things. Whether it's Adobe Pro, DaVinci Resolve or CapCut, understand that video editing goes beyond trimming clips and introducing transitions. Video editing should conveniently communicate a message and create an experience for the viewer. So don't settle for being an average video editor. Strive for your videos to reach maximum impact. Who knows, in the future, maybe I can work with you when my business is strong enough to pay a seasoned video editor. If you are finding value in this video, give it a thumbs up to let the algorithm know that you are getting value here. This takes us to skill number 5, copywriting. I love how Jim Edwards in his book, Copywriting Secrets, defines copywriting. It says, copywriting is anything intended to persuade the right viewer, reader, listener to take a specific action. Businesses of all sizes, regardless of the industry, are fighting hard to gain the attention of people because that will mean more sales for their business. Whether they choose to use a website or social media or email or even the radio, they have to create a message that will persuade people to buy from them. And that's what copywriters do. They use the power of the written words to persuade people to take any action that the business wants. You can learn the basic principles and formulas of copywriting within a month, but it will require you to constantly practice to become a pro. And there are verifiable reports of people making 6 to 7 figure income from copywriting. That's Danny Margulies, who makes 6 figures as a copywriter, and that's April Beverly, whose business grosses 7 figure income annually. This is skill number 6, data analysis. More than at any other time in human history, there is so much data available for businesses, and they need to collect them, transform them, and organize them to draw conclusions, make predictions, and reach informed business decisions. That is the job of a data analyst. Getting a certification for this course will take you 6 months, and that largely depends on your learning style and the commitment you give to it. And that's reasonable because it pays like hell and there's insane demand for it. Don't worry, I will show you at the end of this video where you can learn this course, but at a minimal amount. Now let's go to skill number 7, marketing and sales. It doesn't matter which industry you're operating from, whether it's real estate, automobiles, finance, pharmaceutical, software. Marketing and sales is needed in any industry as long as people are buying things there. Knowing how to qualify a lead, handle objections, negotiate and close deals could be too much work for a product manufacturer. They will rather focus on their area of strength and outsource the marketing and sales part to sales and marketing experts. Businesses that have the future in mind go beyond just making quality products. They know that great salespeople have mastered the art of understanding why people buy things and could make people spend money they worked hard to make. Keep in mind that these 7 skills we've discussed are not one-off skills. A mentor once told me that you will only earn as much as you are good at. If you decide to stop at entry-level role, that's fine, but it will be unfair on your part to expect to earn as much as somebody who decided to give more time and resources to become an expert in the field. If you can sell a product or service, the world is yours to command. Let me know in the comment section which of the skills you intend to become a professional in. At the beginning, I promised to direct you to where you can learn the skills. You have both paid and free options, but it's always a good thing to start with the free options. Here's a table I created that shows the skills on the left and where to learn them on the right. You can go back to write down the details after watching the video. Just remember that you're on a journey, not a sprint. Good things take time. If you want to see other high-income skills you can learn aside these ones that we've mentioned, there's a link in the description containing other skills that you can learn. If you think that this video deserves some acknowledgement and will be something that will be good for somebody you know, feel free to share it to them, and please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. By sharing to others, you are making the world a better place. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.